Imagine a country with a billion dreams, a rapidly growing middle class, and a young, energetic workforce. What if I told you that the world's biggest investors, from Wall Street bankers to tech moguls in Silicon Valley, are betting big on this country's future? It's happening right here in India, and if they're excited, we need to pay attention. But why? What's so special about India that has these investors pumping billions into our markets? Stick around, because what we're about to reveal could completely change how you look at your financial future. Miss this, and you might just miss the chance of a lifetime. Let's start by zooming out. India is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. It's the world's largest democracy and has a young population. Over 50% of our population is under 25. That's a massive workforce waiting to drive the next wave of economic growth. Picture this: if India's youth formed a country of their own, it would be the fourth most populous nation in the world. Talk about Gen Z power, right? Foreign investors are eyeing this potential. They see an economy that's set to double its GDP in the next decade. They're not just investing money, they're investing in our future. And if they're betting on it, maybe we should too. But what's fueling this optimism? Is it just about numbers, or is there something bigger at play? Let's dive deeper. Infrastructure and Digital India. Building the foundation. India is undergoing a digital revolution. Initiatives like Digital India have brought millions of Indians online, creating a massive market for tech and e-commerce companies. Think about how your life has changed with UPI payments, instant food delivery apps, and online shopping. Remember the days when sending money took hours, if not days? Now, we can send money across the country faster than it takes to send a WhatsApp message. This surge in internet usage has caught the eye of global giants. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Meta are investing billions in India's tech infrastructure. They see a future where every Indian is connected, shopping online, and using digital services. But why are these tech giants pouring so much money into India when they could invest elsewhere? Could there be an underlying strategy we haven't uncovered yet? The rise of the Indian consumer. A billion-dollar opportunity. India's middle class is growing rapidly. By 2030, we're expected to have over 600 million middle-class citizens. That's more than the entire population of the United States and Europe combined. This demographic is eager to spend on better products and services, from luxury brands to financial products like mutual funds and SIPs. For foreign investors, this is a goldmine. Imagine having a front-row seat to one of the biggest consumer booms in history. It's happening right here, and it's happening now. Foreign companies are entering the Indian market, and they're not just bringing their products, they're bringing investment, jobs, and opportunity. They're betting that the Indian consumer will drive the next wave of global growth. But there's a twist. This optimism isn't just about us spending more. There's a deeper, more strategic reason foreign investors are so bullish on India. Want to know what it is? Keep watching. Policy reforms and ease of doing business. The game changer. In recent years, India has made significant policy changes to attract foreign investments. Initiatives like Make in India and the production-linked incentive PLI schemes have created a business-friendly environment. Let's be real, India wasn't exactly known for its business-friendly policies before. Red tape, paper, and bureaucracy, we had it all. But things have changed, and the world has noticed. The government is offering incentives, reducing taxes, and making it easier for foreign companies to set up shop here. This has led to a surge in foreign direct investment (FDI), with India becoming one of the top destinations for global investors. But while policy changes are a big factor, there's another, even more compelling reason foreign investors are flocking to India. It's something that's quietly reshaping our entire economy. Let's explore India's startup boom. The new frontier. India is now the third largest startup ecosystem in the world after the US and China. Companies like Flipkart, Ola, and Zomato have become household names, attracting billions in foreign investments. We're witnessing the rise of homegrown unicorns, billion-dollar startups, at a pace never seen before. And guess what? Many of these companies are backed by foreign investors who believe in the Indian dream. Foreign venture capital firms are pouring money into Indian startups because they see the innovation and potential to disrupt global markets. They're not just investing in businesses, they're investing in ideas, in innovation, and in the future of the Indian economy. But with every boom comes a risk. Are we heading towards a golden age, or is there a bubble forming in our startup ecosystem? Let's find out. Risks and challenges. What you need to know. While the outlook is bright, it's not all smooth sailing. India still faces challenges like regulatory hurdles, political risks, and economic uncertainties. I know, we're all hyped up right now, but let's pump the brakes for a second. Even the best investments come with risks, and it's important to understand them. Foreign investors are aware of these risks, but they believe the rewards far outweigh them. They're playing the long game, betting that India's growth story will continue despite the challenges. But what if they're wrong? What if the growth slows down, or the challenges become too big to overcome? It's a risk we can't ignore. How can you benefit from this trend? So, What does all this mean for you? The answer is simple: opportunities. By understanding why foreign investors are excited about India, you can align your own financial strategies to benefit from this trend. Whether it's investing in Indian stocks, startups, or even real estate, there are ways to ride this wave and secure your financial future. Don't wait for the next big thing to pass you by. Start exploring these opportunities today, because those who act now will be the ones who reap the biggest rewards. Conclusion: the time to act is now. India is on the brink of a major economic transformation, and the world has taken notice. Foreign investors are not just excited, they're investing billions because they believe in our potential. The question is, do you believe in it too? Because if you do, there's never been a better time to take action. The window of opportunity won't stay open forever. Remember, it's not just about watching the growth, it's about being a part of it. And the decisions you make today could define your financial future. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips that can help you make smarter financial decisions and live a wealthier lifestyle. See you in the next video. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.